Hey everybody, Monty. So we're in week 9 and a lot of you have gotten through distance. Rise squared plus run squared equals the distance between 2 points squared. And now we're into area, length times width. So let's try this very first one. Now notice we have a solver button up here. Sometimes we're going to have some tough ones, okay? So the length of the rectangle is one of the longer sides. Pick one of the longer sides of the placemat and enter the number. Okay, so the length of the placemat looks like a 21. Let's type a 21 in. Okay, and MA is one of the longer sides. MA, the length of the placemat is 21. Oh, we don't want that, do we? We just want capital letters, M-A. Boy, I'll tell you, I make mistakes just like you, huh? Okay, you don't, I do. Okay, and there we go. And the width is going to be what? MS. I like hitting the cap locks button. They love capitals in this thing. So then it's 16 inches. Okay, the perimeter, distance all the way around, add them all up. And what do we get? 21 plus 21 plus 16 plus 16. If you have to, grab yourself a calculator. Otherwise, you can actually type it in. Watch this. 21 plus 21 plus 16 plus 16. Does all the math for you. Isn't that cool? And then area, length times width. So 21, shift 8, 16. Bingo, bango, bongo. Dun, dun, dun. Go to the problem. Let's get started with area. Length times width. Okay, length times width. Length times width. The side length is 38 feet. What is the perimeter? Okay, so diagram side. Side, let's just go A, B, enter. Value 38, enter. Perimeter, just add them up. 38 plus 38 plus 38 plus 38. And then the area is just going to be 38, shift 8, 38. And there's also a multiply button. You could actually click on this to help you with that. Okay. All right. Crushed it. Look at those little stars. Psst. I'm done. Let's go to the next problem. Okay. So hopefully that's helpful with area. Okay. We're just reading the data. Cool. All right. Okay, length times width, 37 by 15. So the length, what we got? E, F, enter, 37. And the width, EH. And that's going to be what? 15. Cool. Now we just add them up. 37 plus 37 plus 15 plus 15. Okay, and then 37 times 15, 37, shift 8, 15, enter. Cool. All right, so hopefully that was helpful with area, okay? A lot of you just flying right through this one, okay? So hopefully that was helpful. We're in week 9, maybe week 10, but I'm calling it Mathia area, okay?